Hi everyone, welcome to Cook's Travel. My name is Burak. Every week I'm trying to give you one of the example of my spices I'm usually using in my dishes. Today I'm going to talk about the black pepper and white pepper. Probably you heard about it all the time, salt and pepper for seasoning reason. Today I'm going to talk about the seasoning reason and flavoring reason. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel and turn all notifications on. Thank you. There are two different ones, but come from the same plant. So it is very native to India. It's been used there for more than 5,000 years. It even used for money long years ago. They called it black gold. On those days, probably the money wasn't very often used material for exchange. They usually used black pepper for this. India, Vietnam and Thailand is the common producers around the world, but nowadays in Brazil, in Malaysia and Singapore, they make them, they produce them, they cultivate them. This plant is being cultivated because of the strong flavoring effect in the dishes. I always use them except the desserts. Nowadays, because of the chili, like the chili peppers being getting common. So the black pepper usage is starting dropping, but still it is the most used spice in the world. White pepper is come from the same plant. There are two different methods. It's the same seed, come from the fruit. Usually comes with the one seed in the fruit. There are two different processes. So producer makes the processes for white and black is totally different. Black pepper is a half-ripped fruit. The berries comes from the plant. What they do, they dry berry until it turns black. They got a few different processes for this, and they keep it as it is. For white pepper, the producer use very different process. They soak the berries and keep berries in the water for a long time until the old skin peels off. But this method affects the flavor. White pepper has got less flavor and much milder than black pepper. We usually use black pepper, especially in the stew dishes. I recommend you use the black pepper in middle of the cooking process. If you are doing marinating, of course you're going to add in the beginning. Try to use cracked pepper for the marinades because it carries more flavor and taste. There are two forms. Usually it comes at home. It's in the berries size or ground. Both form is okay to keep it. It's got very long time for the shelf life. You can keep it for like 2-3 years, sometimes just even longer. Just please check the all expiry date. White pepper has got less shelf life. Still, it can stay in the shelves long time. And white pepper and the long pepper is different. White pepper we usually use in the creamy sauces because it doesn't change the color of the dishes and doesn't have very strong flavor. It's a lot of health benefits. It's been proved. It's just antitoxin like most plants and fruits and spices. It's improve your brain cells health. It lowers cholesterol, good for the gut and digestion. It is being used in many dishes. It's being called king of spices in the world. So if you heard this is the name, black pepper. Unfortunately, a little bit side effects of it. If you consume it a lot, there's allergies on the skin usually, and the stomach pain. You sometimes have it, but don't try to put too much. It's okay to use just enough with the salt. When you see the ingredient list, when you are cooking a dishes, usually they call it pinch. So it's just, they don't even tell you how many grams or usually just drop some pinch of the salt or pepper in the dishes. So try to make it just like an effective amount into the dishes, because when you put it too much, as you know, like other spices, you can't take it out. So it affects the hotness of dishes. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe us, and we'll be in front of you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. So I'm gonna be with you every week with new videos. Bye bye.